Welcome to 2355 Southcott Road, a well-maintained 2+2 bedroom brick bungalow with 2 washrooms, situated within the prestigious Buckingham Gate enclave of East Pickering's sought-after Brockridge community. Mature perennial plantings line the walkway to a glass-paneled entry door with both a sidelight and a transom, which opens into a spacious main level filled with natural light and having the warmth of dark-stained parquet hardwood flooring that flows throughout the side hallway leading to the bedrooms, as well as into the open-concept living and dining rooms. The living room showcases a west-facing turret wall with 3 windows, the added coziness of a gas fireplace, and a wall cutout that further enhances the openness of this space, as does the oversized south-facing window in the dining area, where a set of French doors opens into the bright east-facing kitchen. Finished with vinyl plank flooring, the kitchen features cabinetry with extended height uppers and lots of storage, a stainless steel double sink plus a new oven and fridge, as well as contemporary light fixtures here and above the breakfast area. The sliding door walkout opens onto a raised deck that has plenty of room for outdoor dining and entertaining, that has storage below it, and which overlooks a pool-sized backyard that also has potential for gardening or additional entertaining space. The ceramic-tiled foyer has a cathedral ceiling with a second-story window, and off this space is a laundry room with a front-load washer and dryer, storage shelves, and access to the attached double-car garage. The hallway to the bedrooms features both a linen closet and an oversized double-coat closet with mirrored doors, the second bedroom having a large north-facing window and a double closet. The common-use 4-piece washroom features a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with lots of storage. This washroom also a semi-private ensuite for the master bedroom, which showcases a walk-in closet and a sitting area by an east-facing window that overlooks the backyard. This and the second bedroom both finished with beautiful hardwood flooring. The hardwood railing along the hall to the kitchen converts to a handrail with the staircase to the fully finished lower level, which showcases vinyl plank flooring throughout much of its space, as well as above-grade windows, and has potential for transformation into an in-law suite. This level features 3 spacious rooms, 1 with pot lighting and all with closet storage, which can be utilized as bedrooms, recreation areas, fitness rooms, or hobby spaces. Another large room with ceramic flooring, pot lighting, and access to storage that is also ideal as a spacious games and recreation area, as well as having potential for conversion into an eat-in kitchen. And to complete this level is a 4-piece washroom with ceramic tiled finishes and a Euro-style vanity. Minutes from the Riverside Golf Course, the Duffins Creek Trail System, and the Smart Center's Pickering Shopping Mall, and across the street from St. Wilfrid Catholic Elementary School, a daycare, and Southcott Park. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.